In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to associate content with a campaign in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect an email asset to a marketing campaign so your performance reporting and attribution roll up in one place. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official site and sign in to your account. If your workspace uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Make sure you're in the correct HubSpot account where your marketing assets and campaigns live, and that you have permission to edit marketing content. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and locate the marketing section. That's where HubSpot keeps your core content tools. In this walkthrough, we'll associate an email, but the same general idea applies to other asset types supported by campaigns. Click Email to open your marketing emails dashboard. You'll see a list of draft and sent emails. Find the email you want to tie to a campaign. Hover over that email and click Edit to open it in the editor. If you have many emails, use the search or filters to narrow it down first so you're editing the correct one. Inside the editor, look for the gear icon or the Setup option in the left sidebar. This takes you to the configuration panel for the email. Here, you can adjust essential settings that affect how the email is organized and reported. In the Setup area, find the section labeled Add to Marketing Campaigns. This is the control that links your email to a campaign for centralized reporting. Click into the field to open the campaign selection menu. Choose the campaign that matches the initiative or promotion this email supports. Use the search bar to find it quickly by name. If you're unsure which one to pick, align it with the campaign your team is using for the related landing pages, ads, or forms so your metrics stay unified. After you select the campaign, HubSpot automatically saves the change. Look for an on-screen confirmation or a brief Saved indicator near the top of the editor. There's no separate Save button needed for this association, but it's always a good idea to wait a moment before navigating away. That's it. Your email is now associated with the chosen campaign, which means opens, clicks, and influenced contacts will roll up under that campaign's analytics. Repeat this process for other relevant assets to keep your reporting consistent, and you'll get a much clearer picture of how each campaign is performing end to end.